Hi, welcome to FamiSafe. I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to be talking you through a full tutorial on how to use FamiSafe on your iOS device. FamiSafe is a parent control app that helps ensure the online safety of children. Let's get started. For this video, we'll be looking at web safety. This includes the browser history, safe search, and web filter features. Browser history. Browser history allows parents to view their child's internet browsing history and to then set visited websites as an exception to either be blocked or allowed. Now let me show you how to use it. Tap Features, then tap Browser History. Tap on the arrows to check the browser history of the previous day. Scroll to check your child's browser history. Tap the lock beside the website address to choose to block or allow it. Safe Search. Safe Search allows parents to block their child's browser search results if the search term includes explicit content. Here's how to use it. Tap Features, then tap Safe Search. Toggle Enable Safe Search to enable the feature. Now let's check the alerts. There's an alert telling me that her phone tried to visit an inappropriate website. I can click on it to see what she was looking at. Web Filter. The web filter allows parents to block websites by category. FamiSafe's database has more than 10 categories of websites, and parents can block the categories they don't want their children to access, and even allow certain websites by adding exceptions. Now let me show you how to use it. Tap Features, then tap Web Filter. Toggle the switch next to the website category that you would like to block. Now let's test it with an adult website. Let's make it bigger. And it's been blocked. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to use the FamiSafe app on your iOS device. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact the FamiSafe support team. Don't forget to subscribe to FamiSafe, and we'll see you next time.